Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Utah local and long-distance movers near me. Looking for a top-rated, cheap moving company in Utah? Look no further than 3 Movers. Our professional movers are equipped to handle local and long-distance moves of all sizes, from just a few items to full household moves. With our long-distance moving services, you can rest easy knowing that your belongings will be handled with the utmost care and expertise throughout the entire moving process. Whether you are looking for partial packing options or a full-service moving company, our team of experienced professionals will provide you with the stress-free and efficient relocation services that you need. And if you need corporate relocation services, storage services, or simply local moves in your area, we've got you covered. So why wait? Give us a call today and let 3 Movers take care of all your moving needs. 3 Movers has a proven history of providing high-quality, reliable, and safe moving services in Utah long-distance moving industry. Our long-distance moving company offers all-inclusive relocation services like moving, arranging, unpacking, unloading, loading, and packing items that need shifting. Intrastate moves are usually organized, performed, and planned much more quickly. While it may sound like a straightforward thing, relocating intrastate doesn't guarantee outright success. As such, it shouldn't be underestimated. Preparation should start at the earliest possible, and you will then be able to have sufficient time to pack every little thing you want. You should also prepare all packing supplies more if you want to do all the packing by yourself. However, reliable moving companies offer professional packing services. So, all you have to do is sit back and instruct the movers on what you want packed. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Utah moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.